In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add tags while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Solidworks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. This powerful tool enables you to create customized learning paths and training programs tailored to PTC Creo users. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a knowledge path with relevant tags, starting with an overview of the Create or Edit Paths module. Let's dive into the process of creating a knowledge path. It's as simple as following these 3 steps. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Step 3, add tags. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Start by clicking on the Create button in the Select Knowledge Path Type section. Here, you'll see 2 options, 1, Personal Knowledge Path and 2, Company Knowledge Path. For this demonstration, we'll choose Personal Knowledge Path. Next, you'll decide on the relationship type. For a None category knowledge path, no parent-child hierarchy is needed. This makes the path a standalone resource. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Now, specify the knowledge path attributes. Enter a unique and descriptive name for your path, up to 90 characters. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context or link to external resources. When you're done, click Next to proceed. Step 3, adding tags. In the Add Tags section, organize your knowledge path by using relevant tags. Tags make it easier for users to find your content. You can choose from various tag options, such as video tutorials, help documents, enhancements, etc. All the tabs available in the Tags dashboard will be visible here. Note, if a tag is not created from the Insights engine, Tips and Tricks, or Product 360 module, these tabs will be empty, and you will not be able to create a knowledge path. Click on any tab to add tags to your knowledge path. For instance, in this case, we have selected the Help Documents tab. Each icon represents a tab, and the icon mentioned here represents help-related tags. Add tags by clicking on plus button. Here, you can see that 3 tags have been added successfully. Punditas AI's categorized tags make finding resources quick and easy, boosting productivity and ensuring users can access content in their preferred format. This centralized, tailored platform reduces learning curves and streamlines communication, helping users apply knowledge faster and more efficiently. Learn how to add tags to knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Categorized tags make resource access simple, boosting productivity and streamlining communication. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.